So today we're in a Crawlspace pier and beam foundation, and we have a corroded column. So this column's sitting below grade. Typically you want these to be above grade. So there's a concrete pier below, which you can't really see, but the column's sitting on top of that. So ideally you'd have the pier come up above grade, and you can wrap your vapor barrier here around the concrete so the steel isn't exposed to moisture. So the issue here is this is below grade, it's getting exposed to moisture. The vapor barrier is wrapped around that. I actually do still recommend they just replace this and then rewrap the vapor barrier around it. So they'll need to monitor this and check it every couple of years, but it's probably easier and less expensive to replace your column every couple of years rather than trying to extend up your pier. So ideally they should have built this differently to not have this issue, but here we are. So those are going to be your recommendations.